Hello guys, in this video we would like to explain to you guys about my program design assignment and what I have learned in this semester in this subject. My program design is mainly focusing on C programming language. In our syllabus, we have learned repetition control, function array, structure, and file. Repetition control structure allows the execution of a sequence of statements repeatedly as long as conditions hold, or true, or is met. The sequence structure simply executes a sequence of statements in the order in which they occur. Functions which are integer, float, character. An integer type is a number without a fraction part, which will not contain any 0.00 something. It's just a whole number. It is also known as integral number, which uses placeholder %d to show the digit of the data. When dealing with real numbers, you can use float, the float function, which use %f to represent the data. It could shows the decimal numbers behind the number for more accurate answer. Data type character represents an individual character value which is using %c to perform. It can be a letter, a digit, or a single symbol, but the number is only one. You cannot add any extra character into the code. The word void indicates that the main function returns no data to the operating system. However, string is for character that more than one, which uses %s. Other than this data type of array, all elements in the array must have the same data type. Size of array indicates the number of elements in the array. For example, if you need to store test scores of 5 students, it would be not so convenient to type all the data just to record. It is much more efficient to use this array function. In the case of 5 students, you need 5 elements in the array. The size of an array must be represented by an integer value of integer expression. After that, just like any other variable, a structure is constructed in C programming that allows programmers to combine different variables from different data types into a single entity known as struct. Struct is basically used for array, which is quite complicated to store multiple functions. So we store it in a struct and we direct it into an array, which makes it more simple and efficient. File is used to store data in the secondary storage, and it provides flexibility where data can be read whenever necessary. To access file in C programming, either read or write, you need to use a file pointer.
Now I'm going to start to explain our group program. First, we need to insert the library of standard input, output, and string. First, we need to structure Apple as our structure. And inside the Apple, we declare the integer quantity, float, total, and price. Character name. Because the name is string, we need to use from here. After in our sub function, so it's a string, so we need to give a length of name. And character code menu, we can put together just in one line. And don't forget, we need to put I don't know this one, what what? Like a comma with dot. If not, there was some error. This, we declare the sub function of getName at the bottom and void display. Because the name is string, so we need to put this to determine is a string and it's necessary to put. In main function, we structure Apple and iPhone with array, with 3 array, and then we put integer I for our for loop, used in our for loop from in here and here. And character choice and menu. This choice and menu is, we use choice to use in the do while loop for this, asking for the 3 time array. If they want to continue, they press Y to continue. Ask 3 time array. That they want to buy iPhone for 3 times. That's necessary to buy 3 times. And this is the menu. We need to store the data from the notepad, from here, notepad. We display this as our menu. Because it is string, so we need to send through the length to it. And then we create a file pointer named fp. File pointer need to put this dot, and we declare that fp is open file menu txt with read mode. Name this menu. Same with this. We create our own notepad to display the anything inside. So if the file cannot be opened, the display the file could not be opened. Else, if the file can open, we need to use the while loop. Because there are 3 lines. After it scans the first data, they will put inside the menu and then print on the screen. Well, if not end of the file, this still first one, not end, they will continue to scan the data and print, scan and print until the end of the file. After we finish our file, we need to close our file.
So, hello guys, let us to continue our program design assignment video. So, let us to take a look at this video. Now, if the file can read, it will display a notepad, and we inside the notepad got 3 data that we enter in this notepad. Because the file function, it will scan the data inside the notepad. So next, by using the for loop, we can ask the user to enter the code and the quantity, and we also can using the another for loop call function get names and pass the code as parameter. Then determine the price based on the code by using switch case statement, which is case A equal to 3649, and we need to put the break behind the case. Why? Because if we didn't put the function break, it will straight away to read the next line. So next, case B, the price equal to 4149, and we also need to put a break. And then case C, the price equal to 5899, the break also. Then at the end in this switch case statement, we need to put the false. Why? Because when the user enter the another code or any key, the price will straight away to display 0. So after the switch case, we need to calculate the price of the item and the total payment. Next, we need to display the iPhone using the call function display past the whole structure. And before the end of this main function, we will ask the user to enter Y to continue by using do while loop and the user do want to continue, they can also enter any key or any code. So in the function getNames, this function is passing by the code. Then we need to declare the price by using float variable, and we will declare the name of iPhone using the string and the switch case statement based on the code. Then in this function, remember we need to return the name. Don't forget it. And in the function of display, which is passing by the whole structure, yeah, this one, and we will display the iPhone that you select and the quantity that you need and the price of display, all the item and total payment. And this is the end in our video, and this is the whole program in our program design assignment video. So thank you guys to using your guys the time to watch our video. So thank you guys, have a nice day.